from Group 4, and we would like to present about the topic that we have chosen, which is the importance of design in human daily life. So what is design? Design is basically a discipline of study and practice focused on the interaction between the person, which is the user, and the man-made environment. So certain characteristic has been taken into the design criteria, which is such as aesthetic. It has to be functional, contextual, cultural, and societal consideration. So why design is important? It is important because it will ensure a good user experience to human. It will impact a human behavior. It is a medium of information and communication, and it affects how people feel and at the same time improving overall life quality. We have choose 4 fields to look into this design perspective.
I want to share a topic is about the importance of design in human daily life in terms of civil engineering. But here, four terms that we use in daily life. First, you will see the word of civil engineering where you are right now, like a house, a flat, a bungalow, a lodge, a hotel, restaurant, a movie hall, and a mall. A monument and mosque is all done by civil engineers through developers, builders, contractors. Two, you will see them right after getting from your bed, like a bathroom, a toilet where plumbing and sanitary system are provided by the civil engineering. Also, the materials of manufacturing. The water that we use in every day is supplied after raw water is treated in water treatment plants built and run by civil engineering. Similarly, wastewater let out by you in treated is a waste treatment plants to make it safe before letting out into environment.
Roots and means from two origin. It's defined as a car that powered by a combination of an internal combustion engine and electric motor. Now, let's see the top 5 advantages of hybrid cars. Generally, hybrid cars produce a lesser amount of emissions, up to 19% compared to traditional cars. The regenerative braking system helps in extending the brake lifespan, as well as increasing the battery power, which indeed helps in less fuel consumption. Hybrid cars consist of lightweight material construction. This means that the car requires less energy to move. Hybrid car will use an electric motor when the car is idling at a stop, when moving slowly, and when starting up the engine. The internal combustion engine is only used at high speed. Some of the hybrid cars come with a cooling storage to ensure that the car is always warm. The system is capable of keeping the engine warm for several days, thereby preventing a cold start.
In the context of architecture, the design of the building plays a very important role in human daily life. Firstly, can attract investors to invest in ownership. This kind of property usually got high value in market. Secondly is demand and supply in property. Usually we as a buyer, we tend to choose property that can fulfill our basic need. Thirdly is demography. So we as a young generation, we tend to choose stratified building for ownership. And last but not least is lifestyle. So again, we as a young generation, we tend to choose property that have reputation, in the same time can give us modern design. So undeniable that the design of the building plays a very important role in human daily life.
In terms of computer science, design is very important because it is a factor which will connect users, which is the human, and the system. So a system needs to have some simple criteria such as simplicity, consistency, durability, accessibility, and attractiveness to allow users to fully understand and operate the system by themselves. A good application with a good design will interact more user, while the one with the bad design will actually discourage user from using it and give out a bad reputation to their companies, which is not good at all. Well, that will be just all from our side. Thank you for watching.